So the front end of the old VZ Commodore, it's basically it's all pretty loose. Nylon bushes, took it on mine, next to nothing. $100 or something. Just an air under the car. Take them wheels off. Throw them underneath so it falls off the jack. Not going to land on your head. Righto, now you want to take the big nut out. So you need a 15/16 deep drive socket and break it after that. Once you break it, you should be able to just undo it with a normal ratchet. Next, undo the little nut with the half-inch socket. You might just need to use a ring spanner to get at the one behind the trans-core pipe. Pop that off there with a little pry bar. Righto, your new kit of bushes should come with a heap of washers, shims, nylock nuts, crush rod to go through the middle of your new bush. They've got to go an 8mm shim, then a 2mm, then the washer, then we've got to go the bush, then we've got to go another washer and a 4mm shim, and then the nylock nut. Right, you'll get a document with the stuff telling you how to shim it up. I'm just going to set them onto the factory settings, so I'm going to go ahead and put the shims on the rod itself. Once you've got that on there, whack a heap of the grease there on the rod. And stick your new bush on. Put some thread locking compound on the bolts there and use them to pull the plate back against the So we're looking for about 23, I think, newtons on the little studs there, which isn't a great deal, but you don't want to shear them off. There we go. And that's that side done. Now we're just going to go to the other side. This side's going to be a lot easier, just because I don't have that cooling pipe for the transmission there to stop us being able to get the socket onto the nuts on them studs. So we're going. Shims on. Slide the new one on. Once again, thread locking compound on the studs. Use them nuts to pull that in. lot of the torque is to compress the bush, so then there's no movement in the actual bush. Slap those wheels back on there and you're all done. There you have it. Caster rod bush is replaced, or radius rod as it were. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like.